Cellulite reduction supplements claim dramatic soothing overnight, but does the Sculptique plant-based smooth skin and circulation support caps actually help reduce cellulite, or is it just hype? Let's find out. So Sculptique Smooth Skin is marketed as an anti-cellulite supplement that boosts circulation, supports lymphatic drainage, increases collagen production, and helps fat metabolism, all to smooth dimples and improve skin texture from within. The brand says natural ingredients work over weeks to visibly reduce the appearance of cellulite. Here's where things might look promising. Brand testimonials say users saw smoother skin and firmer texture after a few weeks of use. Some smaller curated review samples online report personal results in reduced puffiness and skin dimpling, but results vary by person. Supporters claim improvements in skin hydration and circulation too, which might help the look of cellulite over time. But here's the truth you need to hear. Despite marketing claims, there's no strong independent clinical evidence that capsules like these actually eliminate cellulite. Cellulite comes from fat pushing through connective tissue, and supplements alone usually can't fix that. Experts say most topical or ingestible products can only modestly improve appearance, not remove cellulite. Independent customer reviews outside of the brand site are rare, and Trustpilot feedback on the company itself is very negative, with complaints about subscription billing, customer service issues, and difficulty canceling orders. Almost every reviewer gave 1 star. Many people on community forums say lifestyle factors like building muscle, hydration, and consistent exercise are far more effective than pills for reducing the look of cellulite. So does Sculptique Smooth Skin actually reduce cellulite? It might help slightly improve skin texture or hydration for some people, but there's no solid proof it truly eliminates cellulite, and most experts say that's normal for supplements. Also, customer experiences with the company and buying process are mixed at best. Focus on a healthy diet, exercise, and hydration to see the real change. Supplements are only a small support, not a miracle cure. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.